Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'll be showing you guys the simple method I use to remove those ugly seam lines from my model tires to help give them a more realistic, weathered, and worn look. If you've been building for a while, this is probably something you're already doing. But if you're just getting into modeling or coming back after a long hiatus like myself, this little trick might not be so common to you. What you'll need is some sandpaper, sanding pads or sticks, whatever you prefer. I like to use 400 grit sandpaper, and it just needs to be rough enough to remove the seam lines without removing too much material. I also like to put the sandpaper onto wooden sticks for a little bit more stability while I'm holding it. You could just hold the sandpaper if you prefer. This is just something that I like to do. You also need the wheels and of course the rims, and either a drill or a simple rotary tool. I picked this one up off Amazon for about $15 to $20. You'll start by putting the tire onto the rim, then attaching it to your rotary tool. Once you get everything connected, turn your tool on and apply light pressure onto the sandpaper. It doesn't take much pressure to get that desired look. As you can see, after a couple seconds, the seam lines are almost completely gone. You want to do it long enough to remove the seam lines, that factory shine, and get an even look across the tire. Repeat the same process also for the face of the tire. Again, do not apply too much pressure because you can easily snap off or damage the part of the rim your tool is holding on to, and then you'll have another problem. And there you have it. No seam lines and a more realistic weathered look. And that's pretty much all it is to it. I'm going to thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.